Klonglang. I'm 20 years old. I'm from a hilly and historical place called Pungjan Village in the northern region of Ukhrul District, Manipur. I'm pursuing BSc second year at St. Joseph College, Ukhrul. As a child, I grew up singing in the church and listening to music. Listening to music has helped me release stress from my mind, and through music I can relate and connect to different people's life journey, which makes me explore more about myself too. Standing here tonight gives me hope and to speak out what I have been keeping it to myself since I was a little girl. That is a mission to help HIV and AIDS infected people. And winning this title tonight will give my dream a bigger platform, a dream becoming reality. Thank you so much. Have a great time ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Sonalim Khayer Owunshi. I am 18 years old. I am from Numbikulan. Right now I am pursuing BSc Forestry in Doon Business School, Dehradun. And one day I would like to become a forest engineer. And one of my greatest achievements was that I was the state subject topper in my PMEC in HSLC 2019. Thank you.
Good evening, Arkel. Iwami Modestar Kansu, I Jinjoy Kulan when I represent the Sane, I Tingu Mugudagatum, I St. Joseph College, Autonomous Bangalore when I graduate Sakuye, I Yankwit Sa Awan Kaling, Kala Sustainable Lifestyle Eating Chamlake, Ningsanglake, Ichuwaina Environment Science Domain, in a evening Changchumaina Klam Halaka College campus participate to Sasam Pangai, tree plantation drive, seed sapling drive, Kala relate to social services and activities pingle. Hui Mangaina in a mainland Litlayami pingle. Green terrace, Kala healthier park, innovate Sakwai, encourage Kasa, Kala Od Sakami Sapangai, Citizen Welfare Association, Bangalore Azingli, Iwi Krina in a community, Hipiranaga Otsabangaine, I Nyaku efforts kami, Kala courage ni Ishisangai, Hilay community li Kamjay Pirare Jihi, I Ajitili Chikasami Mangaina, Rakamine, thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Primo Luthi. I'm 18 years old. I'm representing Langdang. I've completed 12 and planning to pursue graduation this year. I love singing and reading. Well, I may not have a smiley face, but I can guarantee that whoever around me will not get bored. Tonight, I'm here obviously for the crown and title, but it is more than that. I believe that the ground does not define us, but we define the ground. And yes, the rain is only for a year, but in a year we can do many things that pleases our hearts. I want to do something beautiful and amazing, which will make difference in our society. Thank you. Have a great evening.
It's my pleasure to be here. Myself, Ashimrayroviso, running 18 years of age, currently pursuing Bachelor of Physical Education and Sport. I'm proudly representing Halang Village. My contestant number is 5. I'm very much proud of playing volleyball. I love singing and learning new things. I'm also a fitness freak because I determined to become a sports manager and a fitness instructor. Beauty pageant for me isn't about who has the perfect eyebrow or pins. It's about who is willing to push the envelope. So I proudly took this opportunity to keep myself forward. Winning this title of Miss Raphei will help me make a difference one day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Marga from Chinjuoi City. I'm 20 years of age and I'm doing my BA final year in Modern College in Fa. I love cooking, gardening, and I also love sports, particularly volleyball. When it comes to sports, boys are given more opportunities than a girl. A girl child is as important as a boy child and should be given equal opportunity in every platform. And I stand here tonight for all the women to be proud of themselves, believe in themselves, and seize all the opportunity that comes our way. Thank you.
A dream is a picture of possibility. We should have strong heart and prepare mind to turn that into reality by pure respect. Good evening, judges, and everyone gathered here. I'm Rimtulam Shambu, I'm 21 years of age, and I represent the whole Ombiguchu village tonight. I've completed my graduations in political science. I also love listening music, gardening, and playing football, which is also one of my favorite things to do as a little side hobby of mine. The reason I'm here tonight on the stage is to achieve my dream and to give my voice against drug abuse, which is very common amongst the youth. I'm very deeply humble and grateful for these opportunities, and I can't wait to share this journey with you all. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. Like a flower, we must allow ourselves to grow and bloom at all places. I'm Pemshangati, 22 years of age, representing Jinjurai Clan Village, currently pursuing bachelor degree in social work from St. Joseph College, Ukhrul, Manipur University. In my free time, I love interacting with people, sharing new thoughts and ideas all for social change. And if God's willing, one day I aspire to become a social worker to serve the society. With my patience and love in beauty pageant, I carry all the blessings and the beautiful gifts of God by taking every opportunity that comes in my life. And if I were crowned as Miss Raphei 2022, I will not limit myself to this, but work harder to achieve and explore any beauty pageant title in the future at a higher and bigger platform, promoting our culture, identity, and community to the world. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ashimrayroviso. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Seattle, and my aim is police officer. I'm blessed that I'm a listener. I love listening music, singing, and interacting with people. So I'm grateful for getting the opportunity to stand for here, because I believe that every opportunity is one step closer to success. And there is no road to success without failure. Thank you.
Hello and good evening everyone. My name is Raphei and I'm 18 years of age. I'm honored to represent Langtang village. I've completed my +2 from Tiny Dots High School and currently pursuing regular medical coaching in nursing. I love spending my leisure time reading, sketching and baking. Tonight I stand here not because I think of pageantry as a competition, but as a learning experience. Many people think that pageantry is a platform to showcase physical beauty only. However, I believed it as a platform to groom my personality and to discover more about myself. And to be standing here in front of everyone confidently, representing not only for myself but for Langtang, is something that speaks of courage, empowerment, and confidence. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Raphei and I'm representing from Raphei Katamnao. My hobby is cooking and stitching, and my aim in life is to become a cabin crew. The reason why I stand here is not because I'm pretty good, not because I'm perfect, but I would like to inspire the younger generations that whatever the opportunity comes, grab it. Do not wait for the perfect time. Instead, take the time and make it perfect. Tomorrow will never come. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Miss Raphei. I'm 21 years old, happy and confident, proudly representing thousands of Paites who see potential in me that I am able. I graduated in Hindi major from Kiruramal College, Delhi University, and currently pursuing my master's from Manipur University. Being born and brought up in different places across the country, I've been privileged to encounter and indulge myself in and among many cultures, as well as learn different languages other than my mother tongue. These very things have somewhat, in or the other way, decided my hobbies, which is singing, traveling, and learning a new language that excites me. I aspire to become a teacher where I can share my knowledge with many. Perhaps I'm standing here for my people who believes in me, but at the same time, I'm standing here for myself. It needs courage and confidence to outstand many, and given this opportunity, I would be heard. Thank you and have a nice evening.
Hello everyone, my name is Shang. I am 23 years old. I have completed my graduation from Women's College Shillong. I'm proudly representing Shuri Village. Currently, I'm working at a private company in Ukraine. I love to travel, visit new places, learn different languages, learn different culture and people. When I'm home, I bake. I love to serve people. The joy of seeing the people around you is incomparable to anything in the world. It makes me feel alive. Tonight, I've come out from my comfort zone, ready to handle whatever it comes. And it is my dream to represent my society, to show the world our identity, our culture. Continue to inspire more and more people. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Cecilia Zamib, your contestant number 14, proudly and gratefully representing Raphei village. I'm 21 years old, currently pursuing BSc final year in DM College of Science, majoring in zoology, and Bachelor of Pharmacy in DM Community College. I'm a very positive person, self-motivated, and self-disciplined. Apart from my studies, I take pleasure in teaching, interacting with people, reading novels, and playing volleyball. I don't think beauty is just about someone with a crown. It's actually within us, from the things we do for others to the little touches and details that brings us joy and happiness. Tonight, I stand here to find the visibility, discover and rediscover myself and my strength, boost my confidence, enhances my personality, thereby getting to interact with women from different places, thereby getting to know about their culture, and widen my horizons, representing my village and my culture. Thank you and have a
I'm 18 years old. I'm pursuing 12th standard at St. Joseph College. I'm from a small yet a beautiful village, Ngui. I have a keen interest related to household things, which is why my hobbies include cooking and baking. Apart from that, I also enjoy listening to music in my leisure time. I'm a person who would happily and willingly help others who would need me, taking an opportunity in giving my service to the humanity. I'm patient and have a forgiving heart that keeps me positive, even at the provocative moments. Having such personalities made me believe in myself that winning a crown tonight would be a great platform to me to work on humanity to a larger extent. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Hello, good evening to our esteemed judges and everyone gathered here today. My name is Patinyo Soro. I'm 18 years young, proudly representing from Chinjirai clan. Currently pursuing my 10+2 at Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School. I love cooking, dancing, and interacting with elders. One day I aspire to become a good fashion designer. I'm standing here today because I believe in myself. I am the leader of my life, and also the main purpose I'm standing here today is to inspire someone who fell low, and also to make them overcome their fear and challenges, and also to encourage all the discouraged women out there that if I can, you can. Fear none and fight for your right. Raise your voice to live in a better world. To love yourself, appreciate who you are, and be grateful because gratitude makes life beautiful, peaceful, joyful, and meaningful. Thank you very much. Enjoy this evening. Hello, Argel. Thank you for this platform.
presenting from Hushu village. I am 18 years old, currently pursuing my 11th standard at Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Yukul. I love listening to music, so my talent is singing. In the future, I would like to become a good model and an inspirational woman for our society, especially for the younger generation.